CLWT, and this one I believe actually had a catalyst. Yeah, this is okay. So this is Eurotech Holdings. This is a Hong Kong name. We had an impulse move that took us above 70% retracement of that stick. But we did actually have a catalyst here. Eurotech Holdings selects strategic partner C-Clean to launch its next-gen hybrid ballast water port reception and treatment facility in Norway. Okay, so that accounts for the initial spike. We're kind of curling here, finding some support maybe at 230. We'll see if we can recapture VWAP. I'll give a quick overview here, look around the horn, and then 13, I'll turn this over to you and step away for just a moment. All right. 1.26% of the float shorted, 3.43 days to cover. I don't think that's material at all here today. The float is 3.37 million. On average, the stock trades 500,000 shares. Today, it's done 50 million. 13, what do you think here? CLWT, and I'll be right back.
Well, I think it looks pretty similar to the last one we were looking at. This is a Hong Kong name. Fortunately, it does have news. Float 3.37 million shares. Company does have revenue. It has cash, and it is slightly profitable. So this is looking a lot more like a real company than some of these other names we've traded before. But this outsized move is something that we should still be cautious about. The only news that I have here of any at all in any recent headline here is what we got today. There was also some other news about how they were, about this particular ballast system that they're now going to be installing in Norway. There was news about that a couple of weeks ago on June 9th. So that's really all this is about, is just this new hybrid facility system and the ballast water system for maritime vessels. And now Norway is a customer. That's basically it. Looking at the chart here, we have VWAP as resistance. I have that up at 306. Looks like we are trying to establish a base here around somewhere between 235 and 240. Continue to climb higher, we're going to want to see a recapture of 280. That's the next resistance just before VWAP. We should be able to move on to VWAP after that, but this is going to need a lot better volume than what it's getting right now. And then as soon as I say something, it gets a little bit of a push up. How about that? Let's see if that can recapture VWAP and 280. Those are going to be the next two resistance areas. And if we get past VWAP, I would say 350, 360 is going to be the next resistance above VWAP.